Are you struggling to figure out which format to export your Adobe Illustrator projects in, whether it's for web, print, or sharing? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to export your project in various formats, including PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, and more. So stay tuned to become an export expert. By the way, if you are new in this channel, my name is Kelly. I'm a graphic designer. I've been doing this for years, and now I'm here to share what I know. So let's dive in. First of all, we have to understand the export formats. I'll take you through 10 different and most useful export formats in the field of graphic designing. So let's go. Export format number one is PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. This one is used mostly in web graphics, icon, and logos. In this format, the design have a transparent background, so you can put it in any background of your choice. The export format number two is JPG or JPEG. This stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. This is most used for photographs and complex images, also for web and digital media. An advantage of using JPG is its high compression ratio, reduces file size. Also, it is widely supported across the platforms. The format number three is SVG. This stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. Being scalable meaning that scale can be adjusted without losing its quality. It's most used for web graphics, icons, and logos, also for responsive and interactive designing. And this SVG, it is based on path than pixel. The difference between SVG and JPG is that JPG is pixel-based format, but SVG is path-based format. That's why it can be scaled in any scale without losing its quality. Another export format is PDF. This stands for Portable Document Format. This one is used mostly when someone is working with documents. So you export your project in form of PDF. Maybe you want to print it. Another export format is GIF. This stands for Graphic Interchange Format. This is used for simple animations and web graphics, also used for social media, memes, and stickers. Another format is TIFF. This stands for Tagged Image File Format. This is most used in high quality images for printing, also in scanning and archiving documents. Another format is EPS. It stands for Encapsulated PostScript. This one is used mostly for professional printing and publishing, vector illustrations, and logos. Advantages is that it provides high quality vector format. Also, it is widely used in professional designing software. Another format is BMP, which stands for Bitmap Image File. It is used mostly in simple and complex images. Also, it is used in window-based applications. Advantages of BMP is that it is simple and straightforward format. Also, no compression, so it preserves original image data. Another format is PSD or Photoshop document. This one is used in image editing and graphic designs. Advantages is that it supports multiple layers and effects. Also, it is editable with Adobe Photoshop. The last format for now is AI, Adobe Illustrator file. This one is used mostly for vector illustrations and graphic design, logo, icons, and print media. Advantages is that it is editable with Adobe Illustrator. Also, it is scalable and retains quality. That's the overview on understanding the different image formats. So let's dive in Adobe Illustrator and see how we can export varieties of formats according to the project. I have this project. I'm going to show you how to export these things in those different formats. In Adobe Illustrator, we have different ways of exporting our project. Let's say we are done with this project, and firstly, let us say we want to take this one as a PDF. You can come here to File, you can click File and go directly to Export. Here you have three different options: export for screens or just export as. If you want it to be just like a PDF, you can choose any of these, but I'll take you to export as. Come here to export as, and it go directly to your files, and you can find here it is named DOC, and here in this layer here down you can click this button and open more export options. You can find here we have different formatting here. So because we want to export it as PDF, we are going to choose Adobe PDF. We can just select here now Adobe PDF and click export. So I click export PDF and we go and see. So I can click here. This is our document that we have just exported. We can click it and see it is in form of a document. So it is just a page so someone can print it. Let's go back and try another way. And now I want to export the same thing in a JPG, and we have discussed that JPG is mostly used in photographs. So this one is going to be exported just like a photograph. Again, file, export, export as. I go choose JPG. I export. Quality, I want high quality. We have done with exporting with JPG, and let us go and see now what you have done. This is the first one that is exported as PDF, and this one now is what we have exported as JPG. You can see this one is just an image now. Click it, open with photos, and it is a photo. So let's go again and try now to export in PNG. Okay, now we're going to export as PNG. So I just come to file, export, export as. So I just select PNG, export. You have this option. Maybe you need a transparent background, white background or black background. For us, let us leave transparent background. So we just click OK. Let us see. So now we have PDF, JPG, we have this PNG. As you can see, we don't have background at all. So this can be put in any background. Okay, let us try another format. If we want to export only the item selected in the artboard, so I just come here to export selection. As you can see, it has just isolated the house. If you come here down, you can see here we have option to choose our format. Here you can click this button here and you have more formats that you can use to export your asset. You can export it as PDF, JPG, PNG, or whatever you wish. But for now, let us export it as SVG and see what we are going to do. So I'll export. So it has created its own folder SVG here. So our image is in this file over here. It comes in this format where now you can use it in a specific project. Maybe you are designing a website, or maybe you are working with in Photoshop or in Illustrator. Then this can display your icon. For today, let us stop here. I hope you have added something in your designing journey. So give it a try and let me know if it has worked for you. See you next time. Bye bye.